Hello, we're gonna be trying Ding Dong times Twinkie mashup. Here's what it looks like in the box. Right here, will you open that for me? But yeah, we saw these at Walmart and we're like, well, I've noticed them first and I was like, yeah, let's try. Let's see what happens.
I did not get to the core of it on that bite.
Going for another.
It's got the ding dong outside
like
kind of.
and it also smells like a Twinkie. It's interesting.
Yeah, the outside is like a ding dong, where it's kind of that. Was it fudge coating or whatever?
Yeah.
And then the inside is the Twinkie. It tastes good.
Oh, drop apple.
You don't want any more? Or are you gonna throw it on the ground for the Wawa?
No.
Oh.
Very dense. Very, very sweet. So, like one of these or half of one of these would probably do good because they're very sweet.
Yeah, if you like the density of the ding dongs.
Yeah.
But you like the flavor of the Twinkie.
Then this would be a
This
good
is
one.
and it's good. I like it better than ding dongs actually.
Oh yeah, I like it better than Ding Dong for sure.
That's good stuff.
Let me know if you tried these before, what you thought of them. I'll see if I can find a link. If I can't, I will pin it below. And if you haven't tried these before, does it sound like something you would like? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!